And you have lipstick on your teeth.
Okay.
Wait, you have lipstick on your teeth. We are gonna show you how you can make sweet potatoes taste like cake. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rose. This is my awesome mom. I am an online health and fitness coach for women. If you want to learn how to achieve your dream plant-based body, link to my program is below. So today is super basic but super exciting. We are going to show you how you can make sweet potatoes taste like cake. There are two types of sweet potatoes in this world. There are the Bugatti sweet potatoes, and then there are the Prius sweet potatoes. Orange sweet potatoes are the Prius sweet potatoes. These have got to go. Never buy these again, because you are about to have your whole life changed when you try Japanese sweet potatoes. You have Trader Joe's as your primary grocery store. These are called Muraski sweet potatoes. Purple bag, my favorite color, so you won't forget, right by the orange sweet potatoes. So I highly recommend that you try these. To me, they taste like cake. Would you agree?
After I eat one, I have no desire to have anything sweet.
She goes, I don't even want orange sweet potatoes anymore. They're disgusting. What these look like, if you're in the regular grocery store, they're usually Japanese sweet potatoes. So if you scratch them, they're gonna be white on the inside. So all you're gonna need to do is not buy the orange one. What I do for the entire week is prep them in advance and keep them cold in the refrigerator. Take out as many as you wanna prep. I recommend prepping at least 3 medium-sized ones. So what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna show you, but you can go wash them, pat them dry. Next, you're gonna get a baking tray with parchment, and then you're gonna take a knife or a scissor and just poke a few holes on each of them and lay them out like so. And you are gonna roast these in the oven at 350 for 3 hours at least. Very important step here is after the 3 hours are done, you are going to shut the oven door and leave the sweet potatoes in there for an additional 3 to 24 hours. Yes, I said 24 hours. One time was because I honestly forgot, but I realized I didn't get sick the next day. And actually, if you leave the potatoes in to cool, they go through starch retrogression, which basically means they get all the good bacteria in there for the gut. So it's really good for the fiber. However, we don't care about the fiber. We care that once these are cooked, they are going to be dripping in sweet potato caramel juice. So the longer that you let them sit and cool with the oven off, do not keep your oven on for 24 hours. The longer that they sit in there and cool, the more caramelized they're going to be. So we're going to throw these in 3 hours, 350, and then I'll show you what they look like coming out. Okay, so here is what they look like after they've been in the oven for 3 hours. Now, they're not as caramelized as they could be. We didn't leave them in, but they're gonna look like this, and let's see. They're gonna be dripping with sweet potato caramel juice goodness. When you cut into it, it's gonna look like this. So now what you're gonna do after you let them cool off is put them in any kind of container for the week, close the container, put it in your fridge, and then pull them out and eat them with your salad. Put them in the air fryer. You can slice them into rounds and put them in the air fryer, and they're gonna be super crunchy on the outside, super ooey gooey on the inside. You can, Chef AJ dips them with California balsamic, but my favorite way is to make my poop pudding. So this is my poop pudding. I meal prep this for the entire week. It's so amazing. And that's the base for this. Or you can make blondies or brownies. It's really never ending. So have these prepped in your refrigerator, pull them out, and you are gonna be on track for the entire week. One of our clients who was down over 16 pounds in 3 months, she said that these sweet potatoes changed her entire outlook on dessert. She doesn't need to snack on processed candy anymore. All she needs is one bite of this potato. Seriously, she said one little bite and her cravings are just gone. So go make these. Comment below what your favorite sweet potato dessert is and keep watching because we're gonna come out with videos like this every single week with hacks and with recipes to make your food just a little bit more fun. Until next time, you guys, we'll see you later. Bye.